Okay, we're just gonna do a quick little short because we just got back from sloomoo, like a slime area.
It's like a slime museum.
So we made slime there and bought one. So
I will hand you your slime. This is the one he made.
This is the one I made.
This is the one he bought, which is actually really pretty. It's like a cosmic one. Here you go.
It's like an Astros, Houston Astros.
And this is the one I bought.
Oh my god, it's like
This-
glued to the top.
And then the slime I made was this one. So let's go. Okay, we're gonna flip it real quick so y'all can actually see the slime. This. Oh yeah. Okay.
So basically, guys, smell this. It's like black cherry. Smell it. I don't know why I did that.
You
It's
can't
not like
smell
they
it
can
through the
smell it.
camera, Goofy. They can imagine it.
It's like a black cherry smell. So she's first trying out her the one that she bought. I'm like
shout out to my mommy. She also took us to Crafty Crab after.
Yeah, I literally was eating like a caveman there.
Literally.
Until I decided I'm gonna wash my hands and then put on some gloves.
Hi, mummers. We're making a video right now. Or a short. Probably the slime.
No, it's not good. Hey, when you make, can you make sure you close the door for me, please? Yeah.
Hey, when you're on the call when you get home?
Yeah.
Okay. He lives right next to me, by the way, so.
Pretty good pops, not gonna lie. This is clear.
I'm not gonna get all of it out, but this is what it is. I have arthritis, so it's gonna really help it.
And then we have like the
You're doing your store-bought one.
This is my store-bought
The one I made.
This is like some like Houston Astros.
And this is a store, or the one we made, or at least the one I made. I think it's a Snow Fizz lavender colored one. For some reason, the scent wasn't working for me, but I still kind of like the scent of the glue and stuff. So
this one just smells like a blue raspberry or something. Smell this one, guys.
It's like, imagine blue raspberry.
All right, now smell it.
Oh, that smells good. Actually, no, that doesn't. It smells like the great medicine I used to take. But anyways, we might do a part 2 tomorrow. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And bye!
No.